This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Toyota Tacoma jack. First, ensure your safety and the safety of others. Always park your Tacoma on a level, firm surface, away from any traffic. Engage the parking brake firmly and shift your transmission into park or first gear. Crucially, place wheel chocks behind the wheels diagonally opposite the one you intend to lift. This prevents any unintended movement. Always refer to your owner's manual for the precise jacking points for your specific model. Now, let's locate your Tacoma's jack and essential tools. In most Toyota Tacoma models, you'll find these conveniently stored under the rear passenger seat. Simply lift the seat bottom to reveal the compartment. Inside, you should find the bottle jack, the lug wrench, and the multi-piece jack handle. Take a moment to ensure all these components are present and appear to be in good working order before you begin any lifting operation. Having everything ready saves time and ensures a smooth process. With safety precautions in place and tools at hand, it's time to position the jack. Carefully place the jack directly under the designated jacking point, which is usually a reinforced area on the frame. Use the jack handle to slowly raise the vehicle. Turn the handle clockwise until the tire you're changing is about 1 to 2 inches off the ground. Remember, never work under a vehicle supported solely by a jack. Always use sturdy jack stands for additional support, placing them securely under the frame. Once your tire work is complete and the wheel is securely reattached, it's time to lower your Tacoma. First, carefully remove the jack stands from beneath the vehicle. Then, using the jack handle, slowly turn it counterclockwise to gradually lower the vehicle back to the ground. Ensure the vehicle is fully settled on all 4 tires before removing the jack completely. Finally, gather all your tools and the jack and store them neatly back in their designated compartment under the rear seat, ready for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.